So the problem with the screen door is it doesn't close properly. It just stays there and then just close inch by inch. So I should make this close a little quicker. So this is the adjustment screw here. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise to see if it makes the door close quicker. So to make the door close better, adjust this screw here, and all I did was adjust it 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise. That would make the door close quicker. If you want to increase the damping action, turn the screw clockwise. So you can experiment with that. So I made the adjustment already, so let's see how well it closes. So you can lubricate this part here too, so it will close and then latch. So it's working pretty good now. Let's see. It stays there for like a half a second and then it latches, and it's not slamming the door shut. So that's working well now.